for the positive negative exercise, you can choose any photo that you'd like. If it has not been previously edited, you're going to go to Image, Adjustments, Levels, and you're going to look at your histogram just like you would on Camera Raw. If you need to adjust the blacks, you're going to move this slider over here. If you need to adjust the whites, you're going to move this slider over here. And if you want to adjust your midtones, you'll adjust the middle here. When it's whatever you are happy with, hopefully that it has black and white and some kind of contrast, click OK, and you're ready to move on to the next step. The next step is to unlock the background layer just by clicking the lock. You're then going to go to Image, Adjustments, Black and White. If you want to adjust these sliders, you can. If you want to add more contrast, it just depends on what colors are in your picture. I'm not seeing it move too much, so I'm going to go ahead and click OK. Then in the Layers panel, I'm going to click on the hamburger menu or the 4 lines over here, and I can either click Duplicate Layer, or I can click Control J as in jam, and that will also duplicate my layer. So either one is acceptable, they both do the same thing. With the top layer selected, I'm now going to go to Image, Adjustments, Invert, or you could do Control I, which is the shortcut. Now I'm going to have a negative of the previous picture, which is the positive. Okay, so negative and positive. And well, on either layer, doesn't really matter which one, I'm going to go to Edit, Transform, Flip Horizontal. And now it's going the opposite direction. Now in order to get them side by side, I'm going to go to Image, Canvas Size, and I'm going to take a look at what the width is. So mine is 35.278. I don't know off the top of my head what that is, so I can go ahead and go to my calculator and type in 35.278, click equals, nope, that didn't work, times 2, just kidding, because I want to duplicate it. So now I'm going to put in 70.556. So let's go ahead and do that. 70.556. So again, this is the width, not the height. I'm going to leave the height alone. And then I need to move my anchor so that wherever I want my image, my bottom image to be, which I actually want it to be over on the left-hand side. So now I'm going to get new canvas, empty canvas over on my right-hand side. So I click OK. I'm going to go to the Move tool, and I'm going to drag my picture over and get it to line up. When I'm happy with it, I'm going to go to File, Save As. I'll name it my last name, underscore, first name, underscore, positive, negative. Make sure that it's a JPEG. Click Save. Whatever the default is on here is fine. Click OK. Move on to my second or third one and save those and then turn it in on Google Classroom.